Hi, I'm CC Lim, a businesswoman, full-time mom, and wife. I recently completed the F1 Masterclass and wanted to share my experience with you. My overall experience with the F1 Masterclass has been exceptional. It provided a dynamic and insightful journey into Bursa, Malaysia, focusing extensively on technical analysis. The course structure was well designed, easy to understand, and filled with engaging content tailored perfectly for beginners like myself. Sifu Fred not only imparted theoretical knowledge but also illustrated concepts with real-life examples and case studies, which helped newcomers like me gain a better understanding. The course offered a highly interactive experience, including Telegram live support and discussion sessions during trading hours. Sifu Fred and his team promptly addressed all our queries, providing clear chart analysis and strategies. Thanks to this live support system, it has benefited me by granting confidence in my real-time trades and enabling me to make informed decisions based on chart patterns. Overall, the F1 Masterclass exceeded my expectations. It equipped me with essential tools and knowledge to buy and manage losses in the stock market. I wholeheartedly recommend it to anyone looking to enhance their trading skills and seek reliable guidance.